Lost in this maze, losing love, losing friends, losing faith in chemicals. Afraid one day you'll find me asleep above the stars. I watch my mother cry, Father time is catching up. I keep the phone by my side, afraid you'll wake me up to catch the next flight, in time to say goodbye. But sometimes I fall asleep in light to the TV light, and it sings, oh, 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 one day the sun will break into the room, because we're holding up in a great big storm. And though we're fighting close, we won't let go. Oh no, I can't believe everything fine around me, but now we're holding up and won't let go. Holding up in a great big storm. It's a great big storm, and we're holding up. Holding up in a great big storm. It's a great big storm, and we're holding up. Broken hearts, broken homes, and broken bones. Secret love, let me go. You know I gotta find my own way through mistakes that I can't change, because there's beauty in every sin. Every single black eye has some blue, like the moon just before the sun shines. No, I don't believe in all the things that they preach, but sometimes I fall asleep at night and I just know you're smiling at me. Oh, one day I'm gonna make this up to you. Ooh, because we're holding up in a great big storm, and though we're fighting close, we won't let go. Oh no, I can't believe everything fine around me, but now we're holding up and won't let go. Holding up in a great big storm. It's a great big storm, and we're holding up. Holding up in a great big storm. It's a great big storm, and we're holding up.
I can't stand myself. Shit. And all the curse words that burn from my mouth. I can't stand myself. All my life, as they run from the words to the help. But I just woke up with you next to me, some new air to breathe, and the belief that it's all gonna be alright. I can't stand myself. Woo! But it's high time that we gave it a try. And I think I'm gonna finally give myself a new try.
Because I'm holding my own, yeah, in this great big storm, and I'm cutting it close. Oh, we won't